So today we're gonna really dive into LiveView and the Morningstar mobile app. What are the similarities? What are the differences? When, why, and how to use them. And so without further ado, let's just get into it. So, what is LiveView? LiveView is the application that's served out of our smart devices, whether that's a ReadyEdge or a GenStar, and you connect to LiveView through Ethernet or your local LAN network. And then the Morningstar mobile app is an app that you download onto your phone and you connect to our smart devices via Bluetooth specifically. So let's look at what that means in a bit more detail here. So, with LiveView, you're going to use that on site for local access. You're going to connect to LiveView that's served inside of our devices through your local network. So specifically, plug in the Ethernet cable into your computer and you're good to go. You use LiveView for configuring, commissioning, and control of your system. And you can also view your system status and real-time data on the spot. You can also download data and update firmware. So with the Morningstar mobile app at this point, now this will change. It does a lot of the same things, but it doesn't have a detailed charging setup. So we'll talk more about that as we go along. But you access the app and the device via Bluetooth on your phone, and so you do that on site locally as well. And you can also view your status and real-time data. The Morningstar mobile app does have all of the networking and time date setup functionality that you need. It serves as a very valuable way if you want to get connected on your computer to check your IP address, make sure that the device is on and running correctly. So it's a nice first step in a site visit to make sure that you're connected, see what's going on, and then if you need to dive deeper or change settings, you may pull out your computer if you have to in order to access LiveView. And then, of course, we also have SolarConnect, which we're not going to talk a lot about today because we've had a whole webinar on it, but SolarConnect is the way to view your devices off-site or online or on the cloud. So as long as the device, the GenStar ReadyEdge, is connected to the internet and configured and set up for SolarConnect, then you can get remote system visibility, not just on your one site, but on all of your sites that are set up for SolarConnect from anywhere in the world. And the SolarConnect is really a fleet monitoring tool. So you can at a glance see what's happening with all of your sites and then dive into them if you need to. So let's look at our compatibility. How does and what does LiveView and the Morningstar mobile app work with? So the answer is GenStar and ReadyEdge, and then through ReadyEdge, everything else. So the GenStar has Bluetooth built in. You need to update to the newest firmware if you haven't already, and you will be able to access the application and LiveView and set up SolarConnect. No additional devices are needed. It's also worth mentioning that Modbus is served through the Ethernet IP port on the GenStar. So any data that you see in SolarConnect, there is a Modbus address for that you can get at it for other site monitoring, connecting to PLCs, SCADA systems, things like that. And the GenStar and the ReadyEdge also have SNMP enabled. So if you're online, that's another access to get your data off of your local site onto the broader internet. And if I didn't say it already, also Bluetooth. The GenStar has Bluetooth built in, and that's how you use it to connect to your app. The GenStar is also compatible with our ReadyBlocks, which we've talked about in previous webinars, which allows an expansion of its own functionality. And again, you can see from the picture, everything is built into the box. No extra wiring, no extra devices, no accessories needed. And then LiveView and the Morningstar mobile app is also served through our ReadyEdge. You can see here in the bottom corner the ReadyEdge, and using a RJ11 cable through what we call meter bus, you can connect to our devices, and you are bringing the brains and the functionality that's in the GenStar to our other devices, such as the ProStar. I'll show you a full feature compatibility list next. The Ready Edge also is compatible with the Ready blocks so that you can expand features and functionality. The Ready Edge has Bluetooth built into it. We'll show you how to enable that, how to set up later. It also has Modbus. It also has SNMP. You'll see that these two slides are very similar with a different product, right? So the GenStar has all of this built in. The Ready Edge is designed to bring that to our existing product line and to expand the functionality with extra inputs and outputs. And again, I suggest that you check out some of our previous webinars where we deep dive into the I/O and the functionality of the Ready Edge specifically. So what do I mean when I say we can connect to products? In the last picture, I showed you the ProStar MPPT connected to the meter bus port. Well, the Ready Edge can connect up to 16 of our devices simultaneously, 2 of them very easily through the meter bus port. So that's all of our products, including the SunSaver PWM controller, which does not have meter bus. So how would we control that? Well, we have 3 voltage sense inputs on the Ready Edge. So you can monitor the PV input voltage, you can monitor your battery voltage, and you can monitor your load output voltage. So you basically wrap around. So you're not digitally looking at all of the data inside of our devices. Instead, you're using the inputs on the Ready Edge. So the Ready Edge brings this advanced functionality, online monitoring, and setup to all of our devices.